Thanks for logging on to Channel6newsonline.com. I'm Eric Kamshiger. Here are your headlines on August 8, 2011. Today, the stock market closed significantly lower than it started at, caused by fears from other markets around the world. The market drop was partially caused by the political divide in Washington, Congress' recent inability to come up with a compromise on several issues, including taxes. All this as investors bite their nails. Only time will tell the future of the stock market. Ryan Thompson has more live from Wall Street. Ryan?
Thanks, Eric. The Dow Jones Industrial Average had its largest one-day loss today since December of 2008. In the end, the Dow Jones plummeted more than 632 points, closing below 11,000. And this all comes after a number of financial setbacks, including the S&P's downgrade of the U.S. credit score from AAA to AA+.
Anxiety among traders was obvious Monday following the U.S. credit downgrade by Standard & Poor's.
Much more brutal than we thought.
Brutal might be an understatement. The Dow Industrial Average fell 635 points.
Psychological point of view, we've been above 11,000 now for quite a long time. To break that, if you look at the trader's point of view, it's very light on the way down. There's no support till you get to like 10.5. So this market could possibly sell off tomorrow.
President Obama tried to assure investors that despite the downgrade from AAA to AA+, the U.S. credit rating is still top-notch.
A month of wrangling over raising the debt ceiling, they doubted our political system's ability to act. The markets, on the other hand, continue to believe our credit status is AAA.
Judging by the drop in the market during his speech, it's clear that investors might not feel the same way.
I think as long as the government keeps trying to send a message that everything's all right, I mean, the investment community is wise to that routine, and they're not going to buy into it anymore.
Now, Eric, today's news was extremely disappointing to investors, but the real question is, will the market make a comeback tomorrow? Live from Wall Street, I'm Ryan Thompson for Channel 6 News.
Apple once again has released a new operating system that attempts to make it even easier for the Mac owner to browse around their Mac and use their computer the most efficient way as possible. There are more than 250 new features to the new Mac OS X Lion, including Launchpad, Autosave, and Mission Control. The update can be downloaded from the Mac App Store, and tech sites view it as a combination of the iPad software and the previous Mac OS X Snow Leopard software. We'll have more news coming up on Channel 6 News up to the minute, so stay tuned.